This is going to be our 2022 Ford Bronco Sport. This is going to be the cactus gray clear coat, super nice color. You have the LED headlights, and you have the LED turn signals, and the running daylights are going to be right there. Fog lights down there as well. Going to have 18-inch wheels, the two-tone look to them with some really nice all-season tires. This is going to be a four-wheel drive system, so the four-wheel drive matched with those tires are going to give you a confident ride. And you have the two-tone look with the paint as well, cactus gray down there and the black up top with those roof racks. So if you're an avid skier or you just want to throw a cargo rack, make it nice and easy. Taking a step to the back now, you're going to have your backup camera, but a really cool feature as well, you're going to have a button for the glass and for the door. Starting with the glass, lift that up, and now you have access if you would like just the glass up, but close that and open the whole thing, and you can see a ton of space for, you know, groceries, bags, anything like that. This is also going to be a nice plastic, so you don't have to worry about getting anything, a carpet wet back here if you have anything that is wet. And also, if you need it, you can fold these seats down 60-40 to give you the maximum storage capacity. Speaking of the seats back here, we will take a look. Bunch of room back here, very spacious back seat. This is going to be the leather and cloth seating arrangement. And we will take a step now into the front seat. Those nice seats up here as well with the Bronco stitching, bucket seats up here. You're going to have the different driving modes you can swap between right here, shifter, but you have your climate control and that that infotainment system. Going to have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and a whole bunch more packed into here. And you're going to have this really nice dashboard. The steering wheel is also really nice. You have a bunch of buttons on the steering wheel to control the dashboard, to control the infotainment system, and set cruise control, make calls, end calls, everything like that. If you are interested in this vehicle, please feel free to reach out anytime, give us a call, or come on in, check it out for yourself.